Well, that's not my fault if they want to zoom in.
I mean, not like anybody's really gonna see it.
I know. I can't even see the address of the house.
I was talking about like not like anybody's gonna see the video itself, let alone the addresses. But
Then how do I have 5 subscribers if no one's gonna see the video? And
maybe they
350
just subscribe
and
hope for you to have good luck.
354 views. Yeah.
Only 5 of them subscribe.
Yeah, I know.
It's me, the reflection of doofusness.